lava lamp.
The things that we need for this experiment is water, 3 glass, food coloring, Alka Seltzer tablet, and vegetable oil.
Add little bit water into 3 of the cups. Then add vegetable oil, making sure it is more than the water. Alka Seltzer tablets into your glass. We are gonna add 1 Alka Seltzer tablet in our first glass, 2 Alka Seltzer tablets in our second glass, and 3 Alka Seltzer tablets in our third glass.
Nishi, how does lava lamp work?
Oil and water don't mix. When we put the Alka Seltzer tablet into the glass, it mixes with the water and creates carbon dioxide gas. This gas is what you see bubbling up. The bubbles take colored water with it. Since water and oil don't mix, the colored water comes back down, creating a beautiful sight of lava lamp. Please don't forget to subscribe our